OpenAI just made a super cool announcement that might give you chills and excitement. Do you know the team behind ChatGPT? Well, they've done it again. This announcement didn't get much attention from the mainstream media, but it's actually a big deal. Brace yourself because they're discussing the need for brand new super alignment. It shows just how far AI technology has come and how advanced it could become in the future. So stay tuned for some amazing developments. Alright, we'll go through the announcement. We need scientific and technical breakthroughs to state and control AI systems much smarter than us. To solve this problem, within 4 years, we're starting a new team co-led by Ilya Satskova and John Like, and dedicating 20 of the computers we've secured to date to this effort. We're looking for excellent machine learning researchers and engineers to join us. You might be thinking, what a waste, but actually, it's not. Just imagine how crazy, smart and powerful these super intelligent machines could become in the future. Seriously, they'll be way smarter than us. Picture this, a machine or artificial mind with access to all the information since the dawn of time, doing whatever it wants. Insane, right? This is when AI becomes a real threat that is much greater than any nuclear war or climate change, or could lead to the disempowerment of humanity or even human extinction. It could also be used to solve many of the problems in the world, including curing diseases, environmental problems, and creating breakthroughs in every field. So they're saying that we don't have much time left. Apparently, there's a possibility of superintelligence arriving as early as 2030. We're talking about 6 to 7 years from now. That means in just a little while, like around the corner, we could have digital superintelligence. It's pretty scary stuff if you ask me. It's like having an incredibly smart computer, way smarter and faster than any human brain. This smart machine can learn things in the blink of an eye and solve complex problems that we humans might struggle with. Now, here comes the tricky part. While superintelligence sounds amazing, it also brings some serious risks. If it becomes much smarter than us and thinks in ways we can't comprehend, its goals and motives might not align with our best interests. That could lead to some dangerous situations, even human extinction. So what are researchers doing to address these risks? While some are actively working on aligning AI systems with human values, the truth is that our current alignment techniques won't be sufficient for superintelligence. But to get this done, we need to get a huge breakthrough to ensure it aligns with our intentions. This process is known as super alignment. You've got to check out DeepMind's AlphaZero, and it was a total game changer for the chess world in 2018. This AI learned how to play all by itself, and within just one day, it was crushing human players left and right. And get this, and it even invented brand new strategies that nobody had even considered before. Can you wrap your head around that? But hey, let's not overlook the fact that new discoveries could also come with some unexpected outcomes. It's all pretty thrilling if you ask me. So here's a question we need to ask ourselves. Can we actually control superintelligence? As it surpasses human intelligence, guiding and directing its actions might become pretty challenging. That's where initiatives like developing a researcher that can align with automated systems at a human level come in. The aim is to create an AI that can effectively supervise these superintelligent systems. Alright, the thing is, we need to create a super aligner that can scale up. We'll begin with one that mimics human behavior and then leverage supercomputers to enhance it further, enabling it to assist AI. Superintelligence can revolutionize our world, disrupt economies, and redefine our place in the universe. However, we're running out of time and must prepare ourselves for this major transformation as soon as possible. Let's get ready. But to make sure AI systems are on the right track, it's important to focus on 2 key things: robustness and interpretability. OpenAI is going to dig deep into their systems and automate the system for any behavior that could cause issues. They want to uncover any problems and fix. Meet the awesome squad that OpenAI has gathered for this huge endeavor. First up, we have Ilya Satskova, the co-founder and chief scientist of OpenAI, who is going all in with his research on this project. He'll lead the team with Jan Like, our head of alignment. But wait, there's more. We've also got researchers and engineers from our previous alignment team, plus some super talented researchers from other teams within the company. This awesome new team at OpenAI that's gone the extra mile to improve current models like ChatGPT and address all sorts of risks associated with AI. They're tackling issues like misuse, economic disruption, disinformation, bias, discrimination, addiction, and over-reliance. I'm telling you, superintelligence alignment is a seriously important problem that requires the brightest minds in the world to solve. So pay attention because this team means business. Alright, let's see how they plan to bring this vision to life. Their first step is to develop a training method that can be scaled up. After that, they will validate the model and stress test their alignment pipeline. The main goal is to use human feedback to train AI systems so that they can evaluate other AI systems and eventually conduct their own alignment research. But it's important to remember that no method is perfect. Leak, Schulman, and Wu are well aware of OpenAI's limitations, as outlined in their post. They understand that using AI for evaluation could potentially magnify inconsistencies, biases, or vulnerabilities within the system. They also acknowledge that the most difficult aspects of the alignment problem may not have anything to do with engineering. But Sutskever and Like think it's worth a go. Superintelligence alignment is fundamentally a machine learning problem, and we think great machine learning experts, even if they're not already working on alignment, will be critical to solving it, they write. We plan to broadly share the fruits of this effort and view contributing to alignment and safety of non-OpenAI models as an important part of our work. So, did all this news freak you out? Well, don't worry. We're going to check out what all these experts have to say. It's pretty interesting because they all have different opinions. Altman thinks it's important to acknowledge the issue and actually do something about it. But then you got Zuckerberg, the founder of Meta, and he's like, nah, no need to panic, and check this out. Pedro Domingos, the inventor of Marco Logic Network, thinks OpenAI is just throwing away billions of dollars on a solution to a problem that doesn't even exist. So get this, OpenAI is actually planning on sharing all their hard work with everyone. They're not keeping it to themselves, and they want to contribute to the alignment and safety of non-OpenAI models too. How cool is that? By being open and collaborating with others, they hope to make faster progress in AI safety. It just shows how committed they are to the broader AI community. Sure, it did make headlines like the latest smartphone release or celebrity drama, but this announcement is a super deal. Think about it. A team of brainiacs, led by Ilya Sutskever and Jan Like, are diving into the deep end of AI, aiming to align the super smart machines they're cooking up with our human values. It's like teaching the smartest kid in the class manners so they don't become brats. They're assembling a dream team of experts and creating the concept of super alignment, which is like a guidebook to ensure AI sticks to our script. But let's face it, taming these AI beasts won't be easy. As they evolve, they might outgrow us faster than your favourite sneakers. There are still many problems. The team wants to learn more about a problem and might try different ways to solve it. Indeed, their research priorities might change. They promise to share what they learn with many people and are asking for more people to help them. The journey's just begun, and the road ahead is packed with twists, turns, and a whole lot of AI brilliance. OpenAI is leading the way, and it's up to all of us to keep up, get involved, and be part of the adventure that could define our future. Be sure to hit our subscribe button for us. Bye!